Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by narrowing who you're talking to and why they should care. This shapes tone, length, and visuals. Once that's clear, write a one-sentence value proposition plus a single clear CTA and storyboard 3 beats. Hook, benefit, close. Make sure to collect brand assets now, logo, product shots, and 2 aspect ratios. These early choices speed editing and keep your ad consistent across platforms. They prevent rework when you move from planning into filming and asset assembly. You now capture and construct the story. Apply the 3-shot rule, wide, mid, close, so coverage gives choice in the edit. Once filmed, collect natural sound and at least 30-60 seconds of B-roll per scene, plus multiple voice takes to pick the best tone. In editing, place your hook in the first 3 seconds, develop the benefit for 6 to 12 seconds, then deliver the CTA in the final 3 to 5 seconds. Test pacing and tighten every frame to keep attention high. You finish by polishing and exporting correctly. Color grade for consistency, add captions and mix audio to LUFS -14 to -16 so playback is optimized. Then export platform presets in 1080p or 720p with 4.8 Mbps. Once exported, verify playback on a mobile device and desktop. If you hit problems such as sync drift, audio clipping, or rendering artifacts, re-export with a fresh sequence, clear cache, and check code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.